Cloud player Samsara under pressure today, posting its worst session since 2022. That's despite top and bottom line beats for Q1 and providing guidance that was largely in line with estimates. Joining us now in an exclusive interview is Samsara co-founder and CEO Sanjit Biswas. Sanjit, it's great to have you back on the show. I mean, you put up a beat and raise, and yet the stock tumbled today. And I just want to get your reaction to the reaction in the market. What perhaps have investors missed here?
Well, Morgan, first, thanks for having me on. It was a great quarter. We had a strong quarter of continued growth, growing 37% year over year, which is sustained growth from where we were at greater scale. So we were very pleased with the results and proud of the ROI we're delivering for our customers. As far as the market reaction, it's hard to say what's on the buy side, but from our perspective, we did put up a beat, and then we did raise a guidance for the rest of the year.
Yeah, a number of analysts have pointed out the fact that you've been signaling that the beat magnitude was going to perhaps diminish, that you'd become a little less conservative in terms of the guidance that you would put forward moving forward. Is this the way to be thinking about that guidance now, given the beat and how it fell in line with, or I guess given the results and how they fell in line with expectations?
That's right. So we communicated this a quarter ago at the end of our fiscal year, and we said now that we've been public a little over 2 years, we're going to be a little less conservative in the guidance because we have more visibility into the revenue. And so you are seeing some consistency there. We did beat consensus by about 3%. And so we want to be consistent and communicate very clearly how we're thinking about guidance.
So at a time where software more broadly has been selling off, lots of questions about an uncertain macro environment, where companies are spending and why in this new AI era. What are you seeing, especially when it comes to the large customer additions?
Well, I think it's important to understand who we serve. So our company is focused on the world of physical operations. These are the electric utilities and the construction companies, supply chains, logistics companies that power our planet. They are very much investing in a digitization journey. So they're going from pen and paper all the way into the cloud, into apps. And so for us, we're helping make that happen. And that's a journey that they're going to be on for decades. So we're excited about that ongoing trend. It's powered by data, and AI does help surface insights in the data. It creates more value for the customer. So no change there. And our customers are the operations buyers. They're not the IT buyers in these companies. And operations tends to be the majority of their budget. So if we can deliver clear and fast ROI, which we do through things like fuel savings and insurance savings, we're able to go and deliver real value for our customers. So we're seeing no signs of them slowing down in their adoption. It's just a very large movement that they're having to make as they digitize.
So when you look across these different end markets, which do tend to be more industrial facing, what's growing the strongest right now? Where are you seeing softness?
We've seen a lot of strength in industries like construction. They tend to be earlier in their digitization journey because they have so many different kinds of assets, and they're asset-heavy industries. So think about all the construction equipment you see on the job sites. Think about all those pen and paper checklists and workflows that can now be digitized. That's where we're seeing very strong adoption. We shared a customer story of a company named Vinci. They're a global Fortune 500 company, 275,000 employees, and this was a big win for us in the last quarter. So a lot of strength there. And then in terms of weakness, I think we're seeing continued adoption. Just some industries are adopting a little faster than others, like construction, for example.